Welcome back. Today I'm tearing down the axle. Anyone who's new here, it's a 2014 Ram 2500 front axle. There's like no YouTube videos anywhere of teardowns on these things, so this will be like the first one probably. Yeah, I'll just be taking you along on the process of how to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, take the dip cover off. All right, so there's these bolts holding in these pins that go into the like adjuster thing. Pull those out. I'm gonna leave everything side specific too. Next we got this thing in the back. Pull this out. So there's that seal that we gotta get out. All right. So this side's axle seal I just banged out with the pry bar. So now that that axle seal's out, I can slide this axle up this side. There it is. Pull that out. Oh, there's the bearing. Carrier is out. That axle seal is now out. Alright. Now onto the pinion. All right, so I got all the differential stuff out, pinion gear carrier, all the seals. All that's left is getting these control arm, radius control arm bushings out, which is a pain. But yeah, I'm basically just cutting out the rubber with a Sawzall and trying to bang down the metal part to get it out. But these are going to take a while. So that's the end of this video. That part was way easier than this.